What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling a reign of George VI, became king in December 1936, ruled through World War II and Indian independence. He was the last emperor of India until August 1947 and continued as the nominal king of India until January 1950. Currency transition. After 1947's independence, India retained British era coinage featuring George VI, with denomination like the 1 demi-anna still in circulation until new republican coinage was introduced. Design and physical attribute obverse. Bust of King George VI, crowned and facing left, inscribed, George VI King Emperor. Engraveur, Percy Metcalfe, reverse. Displays the denomination and date within a decorative 4 foil. Value given as 2 pice, equivalent to 1 demi-anna in 4 languages. Urdu, Bengali, Telugu, Devanagari, around the bordé. Spécification. Square with rounded corners, milled, middle orientation. Composition. Nickel brass 1942 à 45 issus hors copper nickel 1946 à 47 issus. Size approx. 19,7 à 19,8 mm, weight à bout 2,87 à 2,92. G variant, mintage et rarity 1942, no dot, variant. Notable for lacking dot around the world, India, minted in nickel brass at Bombay. Mintage just under 8 millions, rare compared to other years with mintage in the hundreds of millions. 1946 à 47 copper nickel issu. Heavily circulated post-war for transition currency. 1946 at diverse mint outputs, Calcutta, Bombay, Lahore, with dot plasma marks differentiating them. Currency transition in post-independence India de 1 demi-anna was part of the PRE decimal currency system, 1 rupee égale 16 annas égale 64 pice égale 192 pi, and remained legal tender until India shifted to decimal currency in 1957. After 1950, Republican coinage gradually replaced George VI Rapisus, the existing coin continued to circulate for some years. Numismatic et collectibility market value. Common coin like 1946 à 47 in normal condition are modestly priced. However, rare variant like the 1942 no dot in uncirculated condition can fetch several $100. Collectors insights. Many collectors exchange these coins. Some multitude of UNC proof coin EG, 1947 Calcutta, PCG SNG graded have sold in the USD hundreds. Coins place in broader history symbol of colonial legacy. The 1 demi-anna coin design, with George VI and multilingual denomination, reflect imperial authority and India's linguistic diversity. To transition. These coins straddle critical era. WWII, Indian independence, 1947 and the early years of the Indian Republic. Numismatic bookmark. Today, they are tangible relic recalling the waning of empire and emergence of a new sovereign nation. Suggested video script structure 4000 words approx. Opening 200 à 300 words hook. This tiny square coin carry the last face of the British Emperor on Indian soil. This purpose. Exploring the coin story as a crossroads of empire and independence. Historical backdrop 800 words George V. Reign, WWII Impact on India, Path to Independence, Currency Policy. Anatomy 600 à 800 words walk viewers around the coin, Materials, Art, Languages, Mints, Variant. Variant et Rarity 500 à 700 words highlight the 1942 no dot rarity, Post 47 variant, Mintage comparison. Economic et Cultural Significance 600 à 800 words Role of Small Denomination in Daily Life, Symbolic Messaging in Multilingual Design. Transition et Legacy 500 à 700 words phasing out after 1950, Decimalization, and Collective Memory in Modern India. Perspective et Market 300 à 500 words Sal Stats, Collector Community, Grading Examples. Closing Thoughts 200 à 300 words Reflection on how everyday object like coin are at DEPR Historical Shifts. Issuance. The British Indian 1 demi-anna coin featuring King George VI were produced in the early to mid 1940s 1942 à 1947 with terms and composition evolving over time. 1949 Consideration. By 1949, India had gained independence and issued coin under the Dominion, often omitting the monarch's image in favor of national symbol. Thus, a genuine 1949 Afana featuring George VI would be highly unusual or potentially a misdated piece or pattern, not standard circulation. Estimated value et rarity typical 1 demi-anna 1942 à 1945 according to the NGC price guide. Good G condition. Starts around $0.50 USD very thin VF around $2.50 USD extra thin XF up to $5 USD uncirculated or proof. Can fetch significantly more, occasionally reaching $1000 plus in exceptional case. Rest strikes 1944 B mint Bombay, without dot. These variants generally start lower, typically. Good. $0. 50 VF to XF. $2.505 uncirculated. Up to $500. Pattern coin EG. 2 annas 1949 pattern for rare and highly collectible. For example, a 1949 2 annas pattern not Afana is estimated around $5000. Thus such patterns are quite distinct and not for circulation. Given that, if you genuinely have a 1949 Afana with George VI, it may be a rare pattern or misdated piece. That would exponentially increase its value, possibly into the high hundreds or thousands of dollars, especially if verified genuine. Professional authentication. To determine if the coin is genuine, a rest strike, or a rare pattern, and to accurately appraise its value, You should consult a reputable grading service EG, NGC, PCGS, or a trusted numismatist. Spec key features. Composition nickel brass versus copper nickel mint marks or dot patterns portrait details and bordé, lettering precision check auction history or price guide. Look for similar dated or design variant to compare realized prices. Standard George VI Afana 1942 à 1945 range from $0.50 to $5 in average circulated condition, up to $1000 plus for pristine or proof examples. En 1949 version featuring George VI would be atypical, likely a rare pattern or error variant, potentially worth significantly more if verified.